deer hopped high in snowy air, spinning flakes stuck in his hair. Elsa laughed with sparkling cheer, watching her